first year,
You
then I
left
started.
school and you start earning.
Yeah, so I was in the college, and with that I was earning. So
Okay.
I was earning. So in
गाइस आपका स्वागत है मेरे चैनल पे। तो आज हमारे साथ है कोनिका मैम। शी इज द सीईओ ऑफ अननोन्स। यू कैन कंप्लीट इट। Yeah.
the unknown agent.
Yeah. So can you please give me the brief introduction about what you do and how is everything going on?
So we started with an idea that we have agencies. They have a lot of work they are doing right now. So what we do is we share their work with us. So let's say we are agency for agencies right now. Okay. So we are more into digital, and specifically with creative and production side, we take care of that part. The ads you see, the creative designs of hoardings you see, that is something that we do.
Okay.
And with that,
आपको फॉलो करना है तो मैं इंस्टाग्राम का लिंक आपको दे दूंगा नीचे सब लोगों को।
of course, and especially for LinkedIn, because that's where I really talk. Because yeah, LinkedIn is something.
ओके तो गाइज यदि आपको कांटेक्ट करना है कोनिका को तो मैं उनका लिंक्डइन का लिंक और उनका जो एजेंसी है दोनों सीईओ जिनकी वो है उनका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगा। प्लीज जाके चेक करिएगा। आई हैव स्क्रॉलिंग थ्रू योर इंस्टाग्राम फीड एंड आई हैव सीन यू हैव डन स्काई डाइविंग।
Yes, I have.
Yeah, so how's your experience?
My experience was so much good. So I was very much afraid of height. I was so much, and I still am. I thought that once I am done with this skydiving thing, I'll be all cool and I won't be afraid of heights. Then it never happens. Let me tell you this, it never happens. When I was when I was up in the air, I was all cool because I knew that somebody is behind me and taking care of the security and safety of mine. So I was all cool. Once I came down, I was again in the same state. But it was a really good experience. Everybody should try it. And I am the person who says that if you want to do something, go for it. Don't give it a second thought because life is very much short. And I have been
even though you have a fear about that thing, right?
So I still have I cannot stand. So I cannot stand at the corner of the terrace. I cannot do that. I'm that much scared of it.
Okay, and you have done that skydiving thing. Awesome. It's okay. For that. आपका जो experience है ना, can you describe your experience about Unknown's agency till now? How's your experience?
So it has been very different because I'm a woman and I'm young, and with that my company was new. So I started with an idea that I'll be doing what I wasn't able to do at the past agencies that I've been working with. I have some creative ideas. I wanted to explore a lot but I was bounded there. So I thought that why not to do it. And when I started working out, so I have been the person who has been into different parts of the industries, not even this IT or agency or creative industry, but also from the dance or from the teaching. So I started my career as a professional dancer. So I did it for 10 years.
Diversification, dance and this is very diversified. Yeah.
I know. So I am the person who always thought that if you really want to try something, go for it. And I'm not the person who says that you have one idea, you have one passion and go for it and you are doing that lifelong. You never know what you really want to do. You want to do something right now in this moment, and then another moment you want something else. So what you want in this moment, do it right now, and we'll see what happens next. So I started with dance. So I was so much sure that I'll be doing dance all my life, and I was so much happy with that. I still love dance. It's not that I don't love it. I love dance, and I started with dance. I was doing it very good, happy, but suddenly what happens? So my parents doesn't like it. My dad doesn't like dancing. He was like, this is not a stable career. You need something that can give you money every month or something coming out. Dance doesn't have that. And he was quite right about it, but that was something that I wanted to do with my life. And I've always been like that I want to do it, I'll do it. I'll give it a try at least.
Correct.
So I tried that. So dad said that I cannot put a lot of money. So I thought, why not I try to get some money? So I started teaching maths because I was really good at maths. So I started teaching maths to the school students, 10th to 12th, and then to the college students. I was in college at that time. So I left college and I started earning. From the first year, then I started
school and you start earning.
Yeah, so I was in the college and with that I was earning. So okay. I was earning. So in the morning, I used to have college, and then in the afternoon, I used to go for teaching to teach maths. And then in the evening and the night, I used to go for dance classes. that's how my schedule was. I had no time for other things.
Kanika, how you manage that type of energy, like morning, evening, and afternoon?
It was the passion. Okay, so homemade food. I've always been like that. I always say no to junk food. I mean, it's not like that I don't eat it. I do whenever I feel like, but it's very less. I don't feel like eating it every day.
I'm very much supports homemade and not junk food because पहले खाता था पैंट बच गई थी मेरी भी तो छोड़ दिया.
It really affects. Yeah. Mine especially. We'll talk about this later. I will.
Sure, we will continue with your journey. Like college में थे यार. Continue, carry on.
So I was in college and I was earning and I was doing my dance classes, and so there's a process. So you need to join a dance company or you need to be somewhere to grow. Like we do the job for IT the way you are doing. So I was in a dance company. I was taking care of their website because in my college time my course was more into maths, but with that I had computer science as well. So I was liking it. So I started doing their website thing, then their social media thing. And while doing that, one of my knowns that came to know that I was able to create websites on my own without any experience. So he said that I have my company is hiring. Why don't you give an interview? I said I don't need any reference or aisa kuch because I was so much like I need to do dance. I don't want to get into that 9 to 5 job at all. I was very much clear, and I really did not like computers. I mean, I like to do it, but not in like career way. So he said, just give it a try, and I said no, but he told my dad, and my dad doesn't like dancing, so he's like, give it a try. Why should you have an opportunity? So I was like, it's an opportunity, I should go for it. I never said no to any opportunity in my life. I always was like, let's give it a try. You never know at what path it'll take you, and today I'm here. So what I did is I saw a lot of people at that time. Engineering was something that everybody is doing. Like a lot of people are doing that. I mean, they are not getting a job. How can I do that? I mean, how will I get a job? But I still tried and prepared myself. I did not go zero. I prepared myself with the question and answers, and I did, and I got the job. This was my first interview, and I got the job, and my parents were so happy because they were seeing around that people are not getting job, and how she got the job. Okay, then you are doing this only. I was like, I don't want to do it.
Correct.
That is like, give it a try. I was like, okay, if I'm leaving dance, I'm not gonna do 9 to 5 job all the time, all my life. That's not something I want. So I thought that let's give it 6 months. If it works out for me, then I'm all open to it. I'll do it for my life. But still, I won't do a job. I'll learn the things what is there, and I'll start my own company. That was always there. For dance, even I wanted to do the same, and here also I'll do the same thing because I did not want to start from zero. I did not know anything, and how can I start a company? So I took the job, and after 6 months, I really was in love with that because I was so much into maths. So I started as a software engineer. So there, I really loved coding. I still do coding. I mean, I am so much in love with that because of maths, maybe because there is a lot of connection between maths and coding. So I started doing that. I was in love, but then I started looking around that it was an agency. So I saw that there is SEO, there is designing, there is a lot of things that I still have to learn because I wanted to start my own. So I sat there, I learned everything, sitting with people, learning every day. And with that, I started as a software engineer. Then I was leading a team. Then I was looking after the Asia Pacific. I was so much happy with that. But then after 3 years and 3.5 years, I was like, I think I'm done with this. I've learned a lot because I was there all the day. It was in Gurgaon, so I live in East Delhi, and it was in Gurgaon. It took me 2 hours every day to go and come back, and it was difficult. And
so like chose in that Asia Pacific, you worked on that coding aspect and all that corporate stuff. Right?
So I was so with Asia Pacific, I was more into client side. I mean, client side as in that I was taking the briefs that they have, what they want to do, and getting it done by the team and giving.
As like a consultant, right? Yep. Okay.
Like that.
Okay, got it.
And that's where I was talking about that people really like me. I used to have that kind of conversation that we were talking about. Okay. So from there, I was like, okay, cool. Right now I'm in a good space. I know what I want to do, and I've learned a lot and I've made a good connections as well. I knew that I would need that. So I always been with the people, talking to them and making connections that I knew that they'll help me someday, and they did to start my own company. So once I was done, I had a word with my CEO. She did not, of course, wanted me to leave, but she said, okay, you want to do something on your own, you should leave. and I left the company and I started Unknown's agency then. And at the starting, I really had you really have to fight when you're a woman, especially because when you enter the room, people actually look at you before they listen to you. This is something that I've been facing. So, but you have to make sure that when you leave the room, they talk about your knowledge and skills instead of how you look and how you present yourself. So I made sure of that.
Anika, I just want to ask one thing. Like your boss, like your company CEO, like आप जब employees थे पहले, so when you were giving the resignation, like I'm going to start my own company. So what was her reaction on that time?
Okay, she was like, isn't it so early? You don't give more time. And she is also a woman, so she was so much, okay, Konika, do you really want to do this? And like, I always wanted to do this, go back. She was like, okay, cool, if you really want to do this, we don't want you to leave. Whenever you want to come back, doors are open. I was like, but okay. I know, but thank you. Because she really loved me. Because I was the one who got a lot of opportunities at the very early age of my career. So, there, the very big client was Apple. That was the first one that they got into, and I was working with them as well. So, I was taking care of that. I was going the way I was dealing with the Asia Pacific, I was doing that for Apple as well. So I was doing a lot of things that other people of my age, especially I would say, or the experience I had in my career, was not getting that opportunity, especially. And let me tell you this, because of that, they used to think that I'm doing some extra efforts for this opportunity. They literally told me in front of me, in the meetings, Konika will get this. Konika, usko to alag se mil jayegi opportunity. हाँ, उसे क्या tension है? As I have been through that, and it's like I am working so hard. So when I wake up, I used to check my emails whenever I'm sleeping 2-3 at night. And I was on my phone or email or my laptop. That's what I was doing. Even if I'm not in office, I'm on my phone, on my email, on the calls. That was like, but people don't understand. They don't see that part of your life or your efforts, I would say. They just...
Actually, like in my point of view, like even though you are employed there, but you are not thinking in that way. You have something in your mind. I have to learn, then I have to start my own. So you are hustling every day. And that paid off.
Exactly. So they used to think that I am getting into every team or everything that they have in the company. I was getting to everything because I wanted to learn that. And they used to think that I was trying to make connections so that I can get more money or I get more increment. That's why I was getting into other things. Right. I'm like, it's your call. So I have always been like that.
I want to ask one more question. Like you have now your own company. So are they sending their resumes to you?
This happened with me. So I still meet a lot of people. I still have friends there, and they are still there in the company. And I talk to them, and they were referring me. You can hire this guy, or you can hire this person in the company only. And I was like, okay, fine. Are these the same people? It happened with me. I never expected, because a lot of people who talks like that, they have a ego problem as well. They were like, correct. They were, and you know why? And I have seen that as well. While I was learning, I got one mentor. So when I started the job, I had one guy who told me everything, and why I am in love with coding is because of him. That is Rahul Meglan. I am taking his name because I really respect that person. He told me everything. And he was the only person who was able to teach me something, because he knew something. Other people, I don't know, I was never able to get something out of it. I mean, they were all those kind of people who come to the office at 9, they were leaving at 6, they were happy, they were not learning, they were not doing anything. Even if I used to tell them, they were like, I'm so early at my age, who am I to tell them? So, even if somebody with less experience telling me something, I always listen. Even if it's good or bad, I'll decide it later, but I listen. But that is something that is lacking in our IT industry, I would say. Correct. If they are here and you are here, they'll always keep that gap. They don't try to come here, or they don't try to pick you here. They never do. So I wouldn't say harsh enough, or I tried enough to be there or there.
I think you hustled a lot, and you not think like the employees are thinking in that company. That's why you are able to get those opportunities and able to grab those opportunities. Many people get the opportunities, but they not able to grab it. But you are on a different mindset. That's why those capabilities, those opportunities come to you, and you can able to grab it at the perfect time. Timing is much more important.
Timing is how you really believe that. I mean, if I won't get that opportunity, I didn't started the job, I would be doing dance maybe. I would be doing something else, or especially dance. I would say that dance.
But in a conclusion, if I say from dance to the company, owns company, CEO of the company, it's a very fascinating journey. Like you can, if you can write a book, it's very adventurous, and so much people can learn from it.
You know, so the employees I have, they all have much more experience than me, and you don't know how much difficult it is. Then it becomes to tell them something to do. Where even if you are like you are the company CEO or the owner or whatever you are, but they're the people that were there with me, and I've learned from them. But there is a gap. So I'll always, so if somebody is somebody, it's a person from whom I have learned something, then I used to call him sir, and other people looks at me like, why she's calling him sir? Why she's doing that? I'm like, I have learned something from that guy, and I so in IT industry it's not like that. I mean, especially with the agency thing, I would say with marketing advertisement, we don't call each other sir or madam. It never happens. It never happens. We all call each other by name. That's the culture we follow. But with me, whenever I feel like that person has taught me something, I call them. I still do that. That I call them sir or ma'am or something, to give them respect and the honor they deserve. Because I am something because of them. I really believe in that. If somebody gives you something, I always make sure that I give back something to them as well. So at least at that time I was able to call them sir. And other people look at me like, you're the company owner, why are you calling him sir? Or like, no, I have
again this is what I can say, different mindset. If you're learning, then you're giving respect. So that's a thought process. It is not like that even though you are the CEO of the company, but because you have to learn continuously. Yeah, and if someone is helping you to learn and you are giving the respect, it's a very good thing, right? I think our audience can learn from that. My audience can learn from it.
I would say that
thanks for sharing this thing, Kanika, especially because not everyone shares those things. Like even though you are
I'm trying to give everything, whatever I have. I mean, even with my interviews I always try to give another side of me. I mean, the business, something that everybody talks about, and that is there on my website and the profile that I have. But I want to talk about in my interviews about how I am and as a person and how I think, because that is something that is not there in my website, on my profile or anywhere. So that is something that I need to share with people, and that's why I'm making reels and more content nowadays.
Coming to the reels part, I have also took one of the Instagram posts. And I'm so much impressed. I'm just repeating the words. Okay. So you have a post and it is mentioned there, apply for that job, date that person, buy the plane ticket, move to the city, do all the things that scare you, they are worth it. Can you please elaborate that thing to our audience?
Okay, so you can see I'm the example of it. I was so much afraid of, so you won't understand that you have a proper career, you have invested a lot of time in it. Dance was something for me, and leaving at that point just in like essay. And it was difficult for me. It was not easy. Everybody thinks that उसने छोड़ दिया, उसको मिल गई opportunity, now she is this. But it was not easy to leave something that is stable for me. I know that I'll be able to make something out of it. I was so much good at it. But then I realized that what if it takes me somewhere else? So I am the person who always explore all the time, and you should do. You want to do something right now, I always say that live in the current moment. That's my idea, my mantra. I would say live in the current moment. Whatever you have in hand right now, try to complete that. You want to be happy right now, you want to be sad, you want to think about something, it's your call. You can decide what is going to happen. Past is gone. मतलब तुम कर ही नहीं सकते कुछ उसका. Future तुम्हें पता नहीं है. You can just imagine what it can be like. But present is something that you can live and build right now. So try to do whatever you want to do right now. If you want to change something, you want yourself to change, you want to do something, you want to go somewhere, you want to meet somebody, you want to talk to somebody, try it right now. Maybe you won't be alive in the next moment, you don't know. So I learned that because I love somebody very much precious to me. So I realized that we planned a lot. I mean, he was my brother, and we planned a lot. We'll go there, and we have been avoiding those trips and time to be together because he used to live in other state. So we planned a lot, but we were never be able to do things because I was so much busy with my work and the things I was doing for myself. And I was like, we'll do some other day. Sometimes he was busy with his studies and a lot of things was going. So we were never able to do it, and he's not here anymore, and I cannot do it with him. No matter how much money I put on the table, whatever I do, I don't have him. So I realized that I need to make sure that my today is better. I am happy, I am fulfilled, I am feeling better right now. And if I'm feeling better, and if I do it in every moment in the future and every time I'm switching or going forward, I'll be all fine. What I do right now even is I take care of the current moment. I'm not sure what is going to happen next. I always plan. It's not like that I leave what I'll do in the future. No, I always plan, but I put all my efforts what I'm doing right now.
Okay,
I just think about future.
You plan it, but you execute it right now in the present
right
moment,
now.
Right? Correct?
Yes.
Okay.
That's how it is.
So I just want to ask one more question. It's for the people. It's for the if someone is doing that same thing, वो प्लान तो कर रहे हैं लेकिन उसको टालते जा रहे हैं, बाद में कर लेंगे, आगे कर लेंगे, उनके लिए आपके पास क्या एडवाइस है सिंगल लाइन के अंदर?
So recently, this is the question I recently was asked by a student. So I am a mentor at a few places in Delhi University and a startup incubator and FICCI as well. So I have been talking to people, and especially students nowadays, they come up with the same question. I think I'll do it tomorrow, and tomorrow also I think I'll do it tomorrow. It happens with me. So that's how it happens. You want to do it tomorrow? Okay, good. You have something, you want to do it tomorrow. Just start a little. You know that you have 100% of it. Try to do 40% right now. That what can I do right now? You can plan कि हाँ कल करेंगे, लेकिन शुरुआत आज से करो. Start today.
जो कल करने वाले हैं उसका भले से 20, 30, 40% है, लेकिन वो आज ही करो, right?
Initiate करो, because when you initiate something, you invest something into something. Like let's say you invest your money in stock market, let's say. Then you will think about it. सुबह उठने से पहले आपके दिमाग में होगा भाई कि मैंने पैसे लगाए थे, देखना पड़ेगा मार्केट. सीधा होता है ये. So इसी तरह से if you invest a little amount of time or money today, you will obviously do it tomorrow as well, because you know that I'm already halfway there, or 15% or 20% there. So I can put more efforts and I can be a little more there. That's what. So try to put as much as work today. Don't overwhelm yourself also. Don't say that I'll do all the work. आज ही करना है भाई, सब आज ही खत्म नहीं.
वो कचरा हो जाएगा. आज नहीं होगा पूरा वर्क.
हाँ, नहीं होगा. Then it's a mess. So you have 24 hours. Plan your day. And sleep is very important. Don't think so. A lot of people come to me and they're like, you have a lot of things. You're mentoring people. You're talking to people. You're working as an agency. You're managing people as well. Then you have calls. You have podcasts. You have this and that. And like, boy, do you even sleep? I do take 7.5 hours of sleep minimum. मतलब मुझे इतना चाहिए, because your mind needs to be fine. Because my work is more about thinking. I need to think. I need to take care of things. If I'm not fine, then other people who won't be fine, and my company is gonna be here. Correct. So I always think. So I take a lot of sleep. Sleep is very important. If I'm feeling sleepy right now, I'll take 10 minutes nap. I'll do that, because creativity, especially in my industry, creativity requires your mind to be fine. You need to feel better. So sleep is important. 24 hours में sleep ले ली, मतलब you need to decide. ये नहीं 12 घंटे सोना है, वो भी ठीक नहीं है. Take 7-8 hours of sleep, and then say still you have 16 hours. Let's say you still have time. So plan that day कि इतने घंटे में. और सबसे important उसमें ये भी plan करना जरूरी है. You also have to plan that this is the amount of time I'm going to work out. This is the amount of time I'm going to watch a series. Write down everything. Plan your day. You need to know before you get into another moment. Sometimes it happens that you cannot do it. You got something else which is more important, but it never happens all the time. It happens once in a while. So always plan your 24 hours. Always.
So actually we need to balance everything. Like it's not like that कि आप सिर्फ काम को balance करोगे, body balance करनी है, workout balance करना है. Everything needs to be balanced, right?
I am the person who always try to put more efforts in other. So I write to. So people think that it is a work for me writing content. No, I love writing content. When I write content for podcasts or reels, these are the thoughts that I have in mind. I have notes in my phone. So whenever I'm sitting and doing something, like I'm talking to you, I got a thought. And then this call, I'll write them in my notes. and I'll make a reel out of it. That's how it works for me. You do not need to, I mean, I'm not working all the time. Can you see this wallpaper? I did that because I wanted to feel, do a little creative thing,
It's
and I
nice.
like, okay, just
It's nice.
thank you. So you need
First
to
I thought it's a wallpaper, but now when you told that you created it, it's awesome.
So you know what? So I have been to that as well. So I'm the person who used to draw things, and I was more into art and crafting as well. I started learning guitar as well. So my brother is a musician, cousin brother. So I started learning guitar as well. I have a guitar. I ordered it and I started learning that through the videos. So I don't do it every day, but whenever I feel like, I pick up the guitar and do it. I have time. I have 10 minutes. I'll start doing and playing some string or doing something. Trying to do that. I mean, life is not about work. You have to live every day, and whatever makes you feel alive, do it. It's dance, it's talking, it's anything.
I want to add on that, like you have told that much, so people will not get confused. So I think just clarify me if I'm right or wrong. Okay, so like if we want to do something, start doing something like 40%, 30%, indulge in that so that it will initiate it, like, and you have to balance all the aspects of life. As I'm
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, you are correct. And so you need to start. You need to start no matter what you think. You want to do something, start right now, right? Oh, okay, I'll do this. This is the way it is going to happen. Take the first step, maybe a little smaller, the smaller one, but do it. You start today, you will do it tomorrow as well. That's how it happens. You cannot think, अरे अच्छा कल करेंगे, okay, अरे कल भी कल करेंगे. ऐसे चलता ही रहेगा फिर. वो कल आते ही नहीं.
वो चीज़ तो कभी होगा ही नहीं.
And it happened with me when I was started working on. It was a mess because I was taking care of 100 things, and then I realized this is not going to happen because I was losing every bit of something. So I thought that I need a plan. I cannot just go like that. I cannot hold everything together and just look at it and like, oh, आज कौन सा pick करना है? I cannot do that.
Correct.
I need to understand that what is more important. I need to plan. I need to give time to everything. I have divided my hours. I have sticky notes here on my wall. I always do that. If you want to see this, see.
Oh, awesome.
These are the things. These are the hours that I've divided. That अच्छा ये मेरे सामने है. So I always see. I am sitting here. This is the place I sit all the day. When I take break and I'm eating something, then I always switch the place.
I'm very much curious to know about the story of CEO of the year 2020. What it is, like it's a magazine or what it is?
Yeah, it's a magazine. So it's a magazine, CEO Monthly. So that was out of the blue. If people think so, it happens. So a lot of magazines trying to earn money, they come to you and they try to get. So they ask for the payment, and then you can get these things on paid basis as well.
Okay.
So I got this, and now, but I don't do that because I don't have that much amount of money on spending on my PR. I don't do that. I don't like it even because ये सही भी नहीं है.
Correct. Like वैसी publicity क्यों करे? Like I'm watching one episode of Richard Branson. Like he used to handle all those Virgin Airlines and all that stuff. So Richard Branson, to do the publicity, उन्होंने एक hot air balloon लिया and he used to travel that Pacific Ocean. और बीच में वो क्रैश कर गया, फिर उनको बचाने के लिए एक हेलीकॉप्टर आया, तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली PR कुछ हो गया, सारे न्यूज चैनल्स पे वो चला गया. I think that is the thing, like people will be more interested कि अब क्या होगा, like it's a real life thing. So if we can able to do that, that's another level of PR marketing.
So when marketing is today, this is also a reason of starting Anvans. People have become more smart. I mean, the consumers and the customers have become so smart that before I buy something, I invest my money into something, I always research कि ये वाला अच्छा है, कहाँ मुझे better मिल रहा है, कौन सा product मुझे ज़्यादा effective है और कम पैसों में है. मतलब I think a lot. As a consumer, even I think a lot. I always think that अगर मैं consumer हूँ तो मैं क्या करूँगी? So, but most of the agencies are still following the old-fashioned way of marketing things. They are still making the creative and putting it on the hoardings and still doing the same thing, video ads. But आजकल consumer smart है, समझ आता है भाई तुम क्या बोल रहे हो और कौन क्या कर रहा है. Influencer marketing, even people know that people are lying. They are getting money out of that. So अगर तुम्हें actually में कुछ consumer को देना तो you need to change your way. You need to interact more with the consumers. So that's why I thought that it's a better way to change the way. And a lot of people are doing that. So I'll tell you that Coca-Cola does it a lot. If you see, they So how they interact with the customers? So they have a machine. Just giving you another marketing advertisement that they had. Not advertisement, I would say strategy and campaign. That there's a fridge that is there on the road, and you can go and hug the fridge, and they'll give you the Pepsi, or they'll give you the Coke or something, and that comes out. And you can talk. So there's a TV in between the way you'll find a TV, and you'll find a voice that somebody is talking to you. You can talk. And these are the basic things, and that's how I think marketing is gonna grow in future as well. People are not gonna be like, okay, I like this ad, I'll buy this product. No, that's not how it happens. Even I don't do it. Why would I buy a product just because they put up some ad and they tell it is good? Everyone, I am saying that I'm good यार, मतलब सब बोलते हैं कि हम अच्छे हैं, लेकिन क्यों, कैसे, क्या, ये समझने के लिए आजकल मैं खुद रिसर्च करती हूँ. तो मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि अगर मैं कर रही हूँ तो ब्रांड्स के कंज्यूमर्स क्यों नहीं करेंगे यार. मतलब आजकल इवन फोन्स का ले लो, पहले कितना डिफरेंट था. पहले लोग क्या खरीदते थे और आज क्या खरीद रहे हैं और क्या देख के खरीद रहे हैं. पहले हम कभी सोचते थे कि हमें ये कैमरा चाहिए, पहले तो खैर अवेलेबल ही नहीं थे कैमरास, और हम पहले कभी नहीं सोचा मेरे पास फोन है, बहुत है भाई.
आज तो जो 5G के जो बैंड्स है ना, वो भी कैलकुलेट करते हैं. N78 है, N71 है, कौन सा है.
So if consumers are getting so much better, then we also have to with them. Need to understand.
And I think you are going to crack that thing because you are going in the right direction. क्योंकि consumer की mentality बदल रही है, तो you will get a lot of clients there.
Yeah,
unknown agency will go like that now.
I wish and you know the best part is the people I have. They are so much smart, they are so much intelligent, they know what they need to do, and they're very much precise, and they have so much experience. I would say that they know कि पहले person who takes a decision. I'm not the person that okay तुमने ये बोल दिया, I don't care, I need to take the decision. I'm not that person. I always listen to everyone because it's about the company. It's not about what I am saying or if I'm right or wrong. It's about what is going out because of or from a known agency. People are gonna look at that. If it is good, then it's best. No matter who's giving what decision or who's taking or who's saying what, no matter.
Correct. It should work. Like if we are building on something, if someone is doing, it should work, and the way they are doing, that's okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir. You need to let go of your ego, and you know a lot of people have that. A lot of CEOs have that. I think that's a mistake. I'm not saying that I know a lot of things, but I'd say that if I don't know and somebody else knows that, I go with that. I don't say that अच्छा मुझे इतना पता तो इतना ही करेंगे. नहीं. If that person knows more than me, then you are the leading person there. If you know, because and that's why we are hiring them. अगर मैं ही सब जानती हूँ, मैं ही सब कर लूँगी, तो लोगों की जरूरत ही क्या है.
Right, exactly. और ये ईगो थिंग से ना मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछना है. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, जो भी गर्ल्स हैं जो कुछ करना चाह रही हैं उनके लिए, ठीक है. तो advice for the girls who wants to start something but they got demotivated by the people around them.
अरे I am the person who doesn't listen to what people have to say. मतलब मेरा ये रहता है कि मेरे साथ बहुत हुआ है because I was when I started the company I was at early age of doing that because people are like a lot of people are doing this and that. Why you need to leave your cushiony job and you have everything. I was like, I have everything, but something that I want is not here. This is not something that I have planned for my life, and I want. So starting up something with zero is very much difficult when you are not from a very well-off family, I would say, because you need money, you need time, and if you are leaving your job, that's difficult, and people are going to talk about it. People will talk about it. When I started company, I did not tell anyone. I was so much like, I'm starting a company. My family knows, the people who are there with me, the brands, they need to know, that's it. I'm not going and talking to everyone that this is something that I'm doing. Please go and check out my page or like. They'll know one day when the time is right. They'll know itself. I mean, my page is going to be there. My things are going to be there. Then come to me, ask me. I'm happy to tell you, but I'm not going to tell you ऐसे कि खुद से जाके मैं बोल रहा हूँ. मैंने किसी को कुछ नहीं बोला. I started my company. I started working. I started doing things. Starting में people were like, अरे ये क्यों छोड़ दी जॉब, ये अच्छा नहीं है. This is not nice. You were getting stable amount of money. Now you do not have money. Starting में you don't get money यार. मतलब तुम company start कर रहे हो, you won't get a lakh of salary which you were getting before. You won't get it, of course. But that is the time that you need to struggle. You need to understand that what people are saying is not important. You need to decide that the goal that you have is more important than what people have to say. लोग तो हर चीज में कहेंगे लोग कपड़ों के लिए बोलते हैं लड़कियों के लिए, मतलब मैं किसी और चीज पे क्या ही जाऊँ, काम तो इज अनदर लेवल ऑफ थिंग. व्हाट आई एम वेयरिंग, how I talk. So I am the person who puts up her point of view always, even in my family, in my company, in my friends. And a lot of people don't like it. They're like, क्यों कर रहे हो ऐसा, क्यों कर रहे हो ऐसे, क्यों बोल रहे हो, ये तरीका नहीं होता, वो नहीं होता. And now, so my parents have always been like that. They told me, if you feel something, even if we are telling you not to do it, because you are responsible for your life. And I always think it that way, that I'm responsible for how am I going to feel in the next 2 years or right now. And if I'm not going to put efforts right now just because other people think something else, then I won't be something that I really want to become. मैं वो कभी नहीं बन सकती दूसरों की सोच के अकॉर्डिंग, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि मैं ये चाहती हूँ, मुझे पता है वो कैसे होगा, मुझे पता है कि कितना एफर्ट चाहिए, मैं करूंगी तो होंगी. अब मैं सोचूंगी उसको ज्यादा पता है कि भाई कैसे हो सकता है.
इसमें एक इश्यू जो गर्ल्स को फेस होता है, लाइक दे नो दैट कि ये यदि हम कुछ करना चाह रहे हैं, इफ समवन इज स्टॉपिंग देम एंड समवन इज टेलिंग देम, सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट डीमोरलाइजेशन, जो वो काम कर रहे होते हैं उसकी एफिशिएंसी ऑटोमेटिकली रिड्यूस हो जाती है और उनको रिजल्ट्स आना भी बंद हो जाते हैं. वहां से भी रिजल्ट्स नहीं आ रहे हैं, वो भी बोल रहे हैं. देन एट दैट टाइम व्हाट दे विल डू?
Just don't listen to that. लोग कहेंगे तो you need to be very much, so मैं बताऊं बेशर्म हूँ. Okay. Don't listen to people. Okay. That's the exact word I would say, that you do not need to listen to people. बहुत लोग तो अगर आपको अब मुझे बोलेंगे कि मतलब let's say how do I look, people will say that. I mean लोगों को बोलने के लिए है कि बात करने के लिए तो हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ है, कुछ नहीं मिलेगा तो कुछ तो बोलेंगे ही ना. That's the only you need to ignore. I have ignored things, and the people who were talking wrong about me and now doubting me, they're talking over people. अरे आज कुनिका तो ये कर रही है, कुनिका तो ये है, कुनिका तो वो है. They are trying to connect. ऐसे मतलब होता है. So that phase you need to avoid things and try to interact less with people. जितना कम लोगों से ऐसे बात करोगे उतना तुम्हारे लिए बेटर होता है. मतलब मैं खुद ये करती थी, अभी भी मैं करती हूँ. मतलब I try to invest my time where I'll get something out of this situation or the people. Something, and I have a rule. So I'll tell you this, that if I fixed that if I'm not getting happiness, money or growth out of something, I'll just cut that thing out of my life. That's the way I think of it.
Okay.
So you need to understand.
And one more thing I want to say, like you said that कि यदि कोई इस तरीके से आपके बारे में बात करे, you just to ignore them. So you have to start focusing and start hustling about your work, and then you don't speak with those people, your work will speak. आपका काम बोलेगा, yes, आपको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है.
और पता है कि जैसे लोग क्या करते हैं, तुमको कुछ कहते हैं ना, लड़ने लगते हैं. They actually give it back to them. तुम्हारी एनर्जी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, and I really believe in that. You need to save your energy in putting up something good. Don't waste your energy. They have to say something. They have some kind of mentality. That's their problem. That's their mentality, and they'll be there where they are, and they might grow. That's their responsibility. But what we are doing, where we are investing our energy, is our responsibility. अगर हम वो लड़ाई में वेस्ट कर देंगे तो जो हम करना चाहते हैं वहाँ कभी नहीं कर पाएंगे. क्योंकि मेरे पास 100% है, अब मैं 80% अगर उधर लगा दूँ तो 20% में मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. So always invest in good things. तुम्हारे पास बहुत कुछ है. Just start your day with this, that where I can invest my energy, where I can invest my time. Energy and time is the same thing for me. Because अगर सुबह कुछ खराब हो तो मतलब you of course think that way कि अरे यार ये हो गया, and पूरे दिन आप उसमें सोचते काम करते हैं. So अपने एक ऐसा प्लान बनाओ कि मतलब आपका इंटरेक्शन ही कम हो. स्टार्टिंग कुछ घंटे ना फोन को छुओ ना कुछ, अपने आप को समझो कि भाई मुझे दिन में क्या करना है, मैं कैसे स्टार्ट करना चाहता हूँ, उससे स्टार्ट करो. फिर उसके बाद कुछ होता रहता है, it doesn't affect you, but the start of the day is very important, I believe, because I have
एक चीज आपसे मैं और पूछना चाहूंगा कि अभी जैसे यदि आसपास वाले जो लोग हैं उनसे तो अपन ने सॉर्ट आउट कर लिया कि बिकॉज हमारा स्केड्यूल बहुत बिजी है, ठीक है. अभी आज के टाइम में सब लोग घर पे बैठे हैं और इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, दीज आर द पोर्टल्स जो उनके फ्रंट फेस पर है 5 इंच, ठीक है. एंड व्हेनेवर दे आर हसलिंग, उनकी हालत खराब हो रही है. दे आर लर्निंग बट उनकी हालत खराब हो रही है. बट व्हेन दे गो टू इंस्टाग्राम एंड फेसबुक, दे आर सीइंग दैट सेम पर्सन इज गेटिंग अ lavish thing, lifestyle, then they got demoralized. उस केस में क्या करना?
You know, I believe that that's something upon us, how we think. अब मुझे पता है कि जैसे मैं कोई रील बना रही हूँ, I get few amount of likes and I'm happy with that because my motive is something different. So your motive really matters. So what you really want to put out there, वो मैटर करता है. कभी किसी दिन कुछ हो गया, अच्छा मिल गया ठीक है, नहीं मिले तो भी ठीक है, because I want to put out good content. I want people to understand, and अगर मैं एक इंसान को भी बेटर फील करवा लेती हूँ तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है. I feel better. So you need to change your mentality that what is affecting you. तुम लोगों को देख रहे हो, learn. If you're getting good thing, ठीक है, नहीं मिल रहा तो छोड़ दो. इट्स अगेन अबाउट एनर्जी, व्हाट यू, सो हम क्या अपने अंदर लेते हैं वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. I need to make a wall between me and what is getting inside it, like a firewall in the computer.
Firewall.
Exactly like
say same thing, firewall. Not everything should come in, only important things will come in.
Yes, you need to understand, you need to become smart enough that ये मेरे लिए सही नहीं. हम सबको पता होता है, ठीक है, हम कितना भी कुछ भी कर लें, हम सबको पता है कि ये हमारे लिए सही है और ये गलत है. हमें पता है कि फोन यूज करना गलत नहीं है, इंस्टाग्राम यूज करना गलत नहीं है, लेकिन कितना यूज कर रहे हो वो देखना पड़ता है. हम 24 घंटे होते हैं तो गलत है, 2 घंटे हो तो ठीक है. अब आप पूरे दिन रहोगे तो 10 चीजें देखोगे और फिर लगेगा खराब. ऑफ कोर्स लगता है सबको यार, मतलब देख रहे हो सब कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है, हमारे साथ नहीं हो रहा. तो अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है खराब है तो टाइम इन्वेस्ट करो कि मैं बेटर कैसे हो सकता हूँ. वो जो देखने में इन्वेस्ट करो ना, उसको यूज करो बनाने में. इन्वेस्ट दैट टाइम इन डूइंग समथिंग. और तब देखो, और कभी भी, ये बहुत गलत आजकल के स्टूडेंट्स बहुत करते हैं, मेरे साथ बहुत, मेरे को बहुत क्वेश्चन किया कि अरे हमने 2 बनाए वीडियोस और कुछ नहीं आया. It's like you are doing, like you're talking about 2 videos. जो लोग आज इतने ऊपर है ना, उन्होंने कितने हजारों वीडियोस बनाए होंगे, हजारों एडिट्स किए होंगे, और उन एडिट्स के साथ साथ कितनी वेस्ट गई होंगी. You need to be consistent, you need to give it some time. लोग आजकल पेशेंस नहीं है लोगों के. People do not have patience.
They want directly results. They don't love that process.
They don't love the process. They want results because they see that feels great. उनको लगता है बहुत अच्छा लगता है, इतने followers हैं, इतनी 10 चीजें हैं. But they don't understand that the amount of time and money and efforts it requires there is also there. You need to go through that process. तुम ऐसे नहीं कि यहाँ से जम के तुरंत वहाँ पहुँचे, नहीं होता. और टाइम लगता है. You need to be patient enough to wait for that. Your time will come, but you need to be consistent. You cannot just post 2 videos and you'll be like, अरे नहीं आया छोड़ दो. And ये बहुत होता है, पता है स्टूडेंट्स में, वो आज कर रहे हैं कुछ और फिर छोड़ देंगे, फिर कोई दूसरा करेंगे छोड़ देंगे. I say that try. बट एटलीस्ट ना टाइम तो दोगी, उसे लगे टाइम बनने में, कुछ हो, तुम समझ पाओ, पहले सीखो उसे. लर्निंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मैं आई रियली लाइक टू रीड बुक्स बिकॉज आई लर्न अ लॉट. ऐसे बहुत लोग जिनसे मैं जाके नहीं सीख सकती, लेकिन उनकी बुक्स पढ़ोगे ना आप, तो सेम अमाउंट ऑफ लर्निंग यू विल गेट. सो आई कैन नॉट टॉक टू देम मे बी, बट आई कैन गेट द बुक एंड आई कैन लर्न फ्रॉम देम, एंड आई रियली बिलीव दैट मिलता है. थॉट प्रोसेस बहुत चेंज हो.
ये जो प्रोसेस है ना, जो लोग बोलते हैं इनमें पेशेंस नहीं होता, उनके फटाफट अर्निंग्स करनी है, दैट आल्सो हैपेंड विद मी. सो आई यूज्ड टू say only one thing. There is a word learn, LEARN. So you have to first follow that and then you will remove that L. Then you will start earning.
Seriously.
This is also from your Instagram thing. You have mentioned there why you should need to do things right now. चीजें अभी करना जरूरी है, instead finding reasons for not doing it.
Yeah, this is the current reel I just posted.
Why it is important?
I think the last.
Yeah, I think
so. जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि मेरे हिसाब से अगर आप अभी स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, तो जैसे मेरे को 100% जाना है, तो मैंने 10% आज कर लिया, तो मेरे पास अब 90% बचा है. अगर कल भी मैं 100 से स्टार्ट करूंगी तो मेरे पास टाइम और ज्यादा बढ़ता जाएगा. मतलब, और जैसे मैंने जल्दी स्टार्ट किया, जैसे मैंने कंपनी भी जल्दी स्टार्ट की, तो मैं एक्सपेरिमेंट ज्यादा कर सकती हूँ, ज्यादा देख सकती हूँ. ये नहीं वर्क कर रहा है तो ये करेगा, या ये नहीं वर्क कर रहा है तो वो करेगा. लेकिन आप स्टार्ट ही लेट करो, सोच रहे हो पहले अपनी जिंदगी के 5 साल सोचा आपने, करेंगे कभी, तो वो 5 साल चले गए, यू डिड नथिंग. एंड वो 5 साल के बाद स्टार्ट करता तो वो टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी भी कम होती जाती है, क्योंकि वो 10 चीजें कोई और कर चुका है पहले.
Okay.
समझ लो कि मतलब मैं कोई प्रोडक्ट बनाना चाहती हूँ, मैंने वो प्रोडक्ट आज ही, मैंने कहा अरे आराम से बनाएंगे, पहले थोड़ा पैसा कमा लेते हैं. पैसा कमाया, अब वो प्रोडक्ट के 10 वर्जन किसी और ने ऑलरेडी बना दिए हैं, अब आपको कुछ और सोचना है, तो आप 0 से ही स्टार्ट कर रहे हो फिर से. सो डू समथिंग, थोड़ा करके बनाते रहो, देखो आसपास क्या हो रहा है, लर्न, सी पीपल. एंड अपनी इंडस्ट्री में देखो, अगर आपको पता है कि आपको इस जगह जाना है या ऐसे जाना है, तो वहाँ के टॉप लीडर्स को देखो, उन्होंने कैसे किया, वो कैसे कर रहे हैं, क्या सोच रहे हैं, बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट क्या है, बेस्ट चीज क्या हो रही है, और वो आगे का क्या सोच रहे हैं. फ्यूचर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जैसे कि मैं बोलती हूँ, प्लान करने के लिए देखना पड़ता है. ये नहीं कि मुझे जितना पता है उतनी नॉलेज नहीं है इस दुनिया में. इस दुनिया में इतना कुछ है और मुझे इतना पता है. सो एक्सप्लोर, अपने हॉराइजन्स क्लियर करो और ज्यादा बढ़ाओ, कि समझो कि क्या हो रहा है दुनिया में. और अपने मतलब यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि भाई आसपास भी देखो. जैसे हम ना बहुत टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं लोगों से बात करने. मुझे कुछ आइडिया है, अरे लेट्स डिस्कस, बात करते हैं, अरे ये मैंने ये सोच रहा हूँ ऐसे, अच्छा तुम सोच रहे हो ये ठीक नहीं है. डोंट डिस्कस, अंडरस्टैंड, लर्न, एक्सप्लोर, समझो पहले क्या है वो, कुछ करो, उसके बाद लोगों से बात करो. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग मना कर देंगे, बहुत बात करेंगे, जैसे बात की आप बात कर रहे थे. डोंट शेयर, I did that. I did not talk to people कि भाई मैं ये कर रही हूँ, मुझे बता दो, मुझे पता ना मुझे किससे बात करनी है, मुझे कहाँ सीखना है, किससे क्या करना है, मैं उतनी बात कर देती और उतना ही समझ के मैंने किया। और वैसे ही सबको करना भी चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से। जितना आप बात करते हो ना, जितने ज्यादा ओपिनियंस आपको मिलते हैं उन लोगों से जिन्होंने अभी तक वो किया भी नहीं है, उनसे आप जाके पूछ रहे तो ऑफकोर्स आपकी लाइफ में कभी वो हो ही नहीं पाएगा। अब मुझे नहीं पता कि साइकिल कैसे चलती है, मैं बता सकती हूँ कि भाई 2 पैडल घुमाओ तो चलती है, वो तो सभी को पता है भाई। तुम ऐसा क्या दे रहे हो, तुम्हें एक्सपीरियंस नहीं हो, तुम नहीं बता सकते, लेकिन जिसने चलाई है वो बताएगा कि पहले फर्स्ट पैडल ऊपर करो, फिर उसको पुश करो, ऐसे करके बताएगा वो। तो एक्सपीरियंस मैटर्स, सो टॉक टू दोस पीपल हु हैव डन इट, लुक एट देम, रीड अबाउट देम, एंड देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू सक्सीड। आई मीन नॉलेज सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, लर्न करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है।
और एक्चुअली वी नीड टू आस्क दोस क्वेश्चंस विद द राइट पर्संस। यदि गलत लोगों से सवाल पूछोगे तो हमेशा गलत आंसर मिलेंगे।
और हर इंसान अपने को बहुत स्मार्ट समझता है, मतलब मैं आई हैव लर्न दैट। हर इंसान को लगता है, मुझे भी लगता है कि मुझे ये चीजें पता है, लेकिन आई वोंट से दैट आई एम स्मार्ट इनफ या कुछ भी, लेकिन मैं बोलती हूँ मुझे पता है, लेकिन मोस्ट ऑफ पीपल डोंट से इट, दे लाइक कि हमें पता है। तुम मुझसे पूछो, मुझसे आई विल टेल यू मुझे पता है यार, ऐसे करके बात करते हैं। एंड वो लोग गलत इन्फॉर्मेशन देते हैं। इफ यू डोंट नो समथिंग स्पेसिफिकली, डोंट टेल पीपल रॉन्ग थिंग, क्योंकि वो कई बार तुम्हारी चीजें लेके ना कुछ करने लग जाएगा, उसकी लाइफ स्पॉइल हो सकती है। यू डोंट नो समथिंग, लीव इट देयर। आई डोंट टॉक अबाउट थिंग्स दैट आई डोंट नो। आई डोंट नो अबाउट let's say a book or something. I won't say that I know, I talk about it. I say what I know, and everybody should do that, because your information can spoil somebody else's career or life. It literally can do that. So stop there, don't talk about it. Tell them that I'll learn about it and then I might tell you, but not right now, and refer it to somebody who can. वो ज़्यादा better है. That's what I do with students. If I don't know something about, so a student recently came to me. He was from biotech. So he was also doing the engineering. He was from biotech. So he asked me certain questions. I was like, I cannot do it, but I know somebody who can tell you something about it. So I referred it to that person. He was happy. He was able to do things. And अगर उस time मैं उसको ऐसे गूगल करके तुरंत बता देती कुछ, या तो वो कर भी लेता, क्योंकि वो मुझ पे इतना ट्रस्ट करता था। आज भी मुझ पे इतना ट्रस्ट करता है, because I referred it to somebody who can help him in a right direction. वो वही रहेगा। लेकिन उस टाइम शायद उसके बाद मुझसे पूछता नहीं, because वो सोचता है यार इन्होंने तो मुझे ऐसे ही बताया, मेरा सब खराब भी हो गया। तो मैं कहता हूँ मतलब बैड सही नहीं है वो, मतलब इफ यू डोंट नो समथिंग डोंट टेल, डोंट से, जस्ट कीप योर माउथ शट।
बट यहाँ पे लेकिन यू आर द राइट पर्सन, लाइक यू आपने एनालाइज किया कि यू आर नॉट सफिशिएंट, समबडी एल्स इज एक्सपर्ट, सो यू रेफर्ड इट टू मी, सो नॉट एवरी पर्सन थिंक लाइक दैट। तो यहाँ पे कैच ही है कि जो पर्सन जिसको कुछ नहीं पता कि क्वेश्चन किससे पूछना है, सही बताएगा कि नहीं बताएगा, क्योंकि ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं, जैसे हर कोई तो आपके जैसा होता नहीं है कि रेफर कर दे स्ट्रेट डायरेक्शन, राइट? करेक्ट। तो द पर्सन हु इज ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट कि जो उसने क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स कहाँ से मिले उसको, तो उसके लिए राइट पर्सन वो कैसे ढूंढे, उसको क्या पता वो जिससे पूछ रहा है वो उसको गलत इन्फॉर्मेशन दे दे, एंड he or she no idea.
So मैंने जैसे बोला कि explore, you have Google, research the people that are there. मुझे हमेशा से नहीं पता था कि बेस्ट कौन है, क्या है, कौन सी एजेंसी बेस्ट है। मैं तो होगार्ट में सिर्फ काम कर रही थी, मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा? Talk to, so you need to Google, you need to go on, especially LinkedIn helps a lot in these scenarios. And जो भी तुम्हारा प्लेटफॉर्म है तुम्हारी इंडस्ट्री के अकॉर्डिंग, मे बी म्यूजिक के लिए अलग हो और सबके लिए अलग होता है। मेरे इंडस्ट्री में LinkedIn था, तो if I don't know something, I have LinkedIn, I have Google, I research the people who are leaders in the industry, I get the book or I read their interviews or what they're doing or the people are around them. और LinkedIn पे पता है सबसे अच्छी बात क्या है? Social media specifically, not on Instagram specifically, but on LinkedIn, when you approach somebody, you always get an answer. Always get an answer. मतलब I've been there for people have been there for me. So on LinkedIn, if I text somebody, people never go like, I'm not gonna reply. अगर तुम जाके pitch भेजोगे अपनी तो of course नहीं करेगा बंदा, लेकिन if you ask for some help, the leaders reply. Maybe Gary भी ना करे, because he might be a lot of but तुम्हारी इंडस्ट्री के लीडर जरूरी नहीं, जैसे मार्केटिंग में अब ओगल्वी का जो मार्केटिंग हेड है वो दूसरा हो सकता है, उसको नहीं आ रहे होंगे रोज मैसेजेस, वो गैरी इज एन इन्फ्लुएंसर, दैट इज अ सेपरेट थिंग। सो लेकिन जिसको नहीं आ रहा उसको तो तुम अप्रोच कर सकते हो ना, तुम डायरेक्टली जाके ओगल्वी के हेड से बात नहीं कर सकते ऑफ कोर्स, बट इफ यू अप्रोच हिम थ्रू लिंक्डइन, ही विल रिप्लाई, ही विल लेट यू नो दैट अच्छा ये ऐसे, सो आई माइट बी एबल टू हेल्प यू। वो बात करते हैं, दे हेल्प यू, एंड आई हैव बीन थ्रू दैट व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग जॉब। तो उस टाइम लिंक्डइन इतना वैल्यूएबल नहीं था, पीपल वर देयर फॉर सीवीज एंड थिंग्स, बट नाउ a really different platform. People post videos, post the quotes and a lot of things and talk to people. It's there. So if you really want to do that, try to find out the platform, the people through Google who are the leaders, see if you can connect them. If you cannot, then who's the nearest one who can get you there. You need to find the path. Nobody's gonna, and it's very important.
करना तो आपको पड़ेगा, ढूंढना आप ही को पड़ेगा, इंटरेक्ट आप ही को करना पड़ेगा, then you can able to figure out कि कौन सा पर्सन सही है जिससे क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए, राइट?
हाँ, और क्योंकि मेरे पास जैसे स्टूडेंट्स जो आते हैं, जो आते हैं बच्चे या फिर वो लोग बड़े भी आते हैं, so I don't know that they need my help. They come to me, then I help them. So अब वो मुझे ढूंढते हैं कहीं से, किसी ने बताया या उन्होंने कहीं देखा, then they come to me. That I don't go to them because मुझे नहीं पता होगा कि किसको मेरी जरूरत है अभी. So इसलिए तुम्हें जाके बात करनी पड़ेगी, तुम्हें ढूंढना पड़ेगा, and it's your work and your requirement and your dream, so you really need to put efforts.
Exactly. मैंने आपका लेटेस्ट पोस्ट पे देख रहा था, वो ड्रीम्स वाला जो आपने यहाँ पे हाथ पे बनाया था, तो that's our responsibility to find everything.
Exactly. I mean, I actually, so this is because a lot of people have been asking me, do you get time for your personal life, or are you planning for your future? I was like, I'm committed to my dreams. सबने बोला, सब कहते हैं मैंने टैटू करवा लिया. I'm engaged to my dreams. I don't interrupt me with these questions, please.
कनिका, एक चीज मैंने आपके इंस्टाग्राम पे और आपका शायद पॉडकास्ट है वहाँ पे इंट्रो में था, वहाँ पे था #mental_you_with_Kunika. So how you are helping people and why it's important, that hashtag that you have made?
Okay, so mental health for me, मुझे लगता है कि सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है यार. मतलब मुझे नहीं लगता है तुम्हारा करियर, कोई भी तुम्हें कोई भी चीज अगर तुम करना चाहते हो ना, तुम्हारी यहाँ क्या चल रहा है ना, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. If you're not happy or you're not fine here or here, you cannot do anything. Because आप कुछ भी सोचते हो ना, तब हमारी मतलब इसकी हेल्प चाहिए होती है ना. ऐसे तो नहीं कि आप बैठो और अपने आप चीजें हो गई, यहाँ से चलता है. अगर यही ठीक नहीं है तो कैसे करोगे? एंड इस टाइम पे ना मैंने रियलाइज किया, आगे की जनरेशन जो आ रही है और जो इवन मेरे जैसे पहले की भी जनरेशन, मेरे बाद की भी जनरेशन है, दीज पीपल आर वेरी मच, आई मीन दे डोंट टॉक टू पीपल. बात नहीं करते वो तुम्हें क्या एक्चुअली में फील हो रहा है. बिकॉज आजकल लोग जज बहुत करते हैं हर छोटी छोटी चीज पे ना. व्हाट यू डू, व्हाट यू थिंक, हाउ यू टॉक और हाउ यू ड्रेस अप, पीपल थिंक अ लॉट एंड पीपल जज यू अ लॉट. तुमने ऐसे बोला, अरे यार उसको इंग्लिश नहीं आती, या वो ऐसे बात नहीं कर सकता, या उसको ये नहीं है, बहुत जज के. तो इस जज ना करवाने के चक्कर में, इस डर के चक्कर में कि वो यार क्या सोचेगा, व्हाट दे आर गोना थिंक, पीपल डोंट से एनीथिंग. मुझे कुछ बुरा लग रहा है ना, मैं अंदर अंदर परेशान होता रहूंगा, एंड वो यहाँ पे है. एंड सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, लोग ना अपनी प्रॉब्लम को फिक्स नहीं करते. एक प्रॉब्लम हुई, मुझे कुछ खराब लगा, दैट इज देयर. दूसरा वो खराब लगा, दैट इज देयर. क्लोजर नहीं लेते, दे डोंट फिक्स इट, एंड वो यहाँ पे ना ऐसा बनता जाता है, बिल्कुल और परेशान हो जाते हैं लोग. और देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स कमिंग इन हियर अगेन एंड अगेन, होता जा रहा है. जब तक तुम एक को फिक्स नहीं करोगे ना, तुम्हारा दूसरा आगे उसमें ऐड ऑन होता है. तुम अभी लेट्स से यस, एंड तुम और एक टाइम पे ऐसे एक स्कार की तरह हो जाए. लिटरली आई एम टेलिंग यू, इट बिकम्स अ स्कार दैट यू कैन नॉट फिक्स इट एवर. इट इज गोना स्केयर यू ऑल योर लाइफ. एंड अगर मैं यहाँ पे ठीक नहीं हूँ तो मैं कुछ कर ही नहीं सकती. मतलब तुम सोचो कि अगर तुम्हें कुछ लिखना भी है, I want to write a content, I want to create a campaign, I want to think about the idea, and मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा है यार ये गलत हो गया यार, मैं कैसे, I cannot give my 100% यार. मतलब I cannot ever do that. And सबसे important पता क्या होता है कि तो बात करनी पड़ती है. तुम्हें कुछ खराब लगा, talk to the person that I did not like it. If you can fix it, ठीक है. नहीं कर सकते तो balance करो, दूर कर दो. मतलब I really believe in that. Whatever doesn't goes with your what you feel, your values, then leave it there. तुम्हारी लाइफ बहुत छोटी है. अपनी लाइफ में सिर्फ उन्हीं लोगों को और उन्हीं चीजों को अलाइन करो जो तुम्हें बेटर फील करवाते हैं, जो तुम्हारे लिए अच्छे हैं. तुम्हें भी पता है, मतलब सबको पता होता है कि मेरे लिए ये इंसान अच्छा नहीं है, या ये मुझे ठीक फील नहीं करवा रहा, या इल ट्रीट कर रहा है. जिसके अपने इश्यूज हैं, बात करो. इफ यू कैन नॉट टॉक, यू नो हाउ टू फिक्स इट, देन उसको फिक्स कर लो. जस्ट उसको स्टैक अप मत करते जाओ कि भाई आज कल ठीक लगेगा. वो ठीक जरूर लगता है, अभी ठीक लग रहा है, मैं भूल जाती हूँ कि हाँ भाई अभी ये नहीं है, लेकिन थोड़ी देर बाद जब तुम फ्री बैठोगे ना, तुम्हें दोबारा वो आके वो प्रॉब्लम करता है. इट्स स्टिल देयर. इट्स नॉट लाइक वो गायब तब तक रहता है कि तुम कहीं बिजी हो जाओ, और बिजी रखना सोल्यूशन कभी नहीं होता. इट इज मोर लाइक रनिंग फ्रॉम दैट थिंग. एंड लोग कहते हैं कि भागना नहीं है तो फिक्स कैसे करना है. You need to understand. अगर मुझे चोट लगी है, तुम दवाई लगाते हो ना, मतलब if you are physically hurt, you put up an ointment there, right? So that's how it happens with mental health as well. If you are not feeling fine, you need to tell the person. तुम्हें किसी कोई चीज खराब लगी, किसने तुमसे कुछ कहा, you got hurt, tell that person. मुझे ठीक नहीं लगा, talk about it. ये नहीं कि जाके लड़ो, मैंने ये नहीं कहा भाई, लड़ो मत, बट जाके बताओ उसे कि यार नहीं ठीक है, मुझे ऐसे नहीं पसंद है, मत करो. I don't like it. वो अगली बार से नहीं करेगा. तुम्हें बहुत फ्री फील होता है कि मैंने उसे बोल दिया एंड इट इज ट्रू। तुम्हें कोई ट्राई करो, मतलब ये तुम्हें बहुत फ्री फील करो, मैंने बोल दिया यार अब ठीक है, मेरे दिमाग से वो बात निकल गई है।
You have to speak, right? जो भी अंदर चल रहा है, you have to speak, you have to sort it out.
Sort it out, and कई बार नहीं भी होता, ऐसा नहीं कि हर बार तुमने बोल दिया और बंदा मान गया। आजकल के लोग तो बिल्कुल नहीं मानते। मैं तो गलत नहीं हूँ। Literally people come up, मैं गलत नहीं हूँ, तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम है, तुम्हें परेशानी हो रही है। That then cut out that person. If they cannot understand that this is a problem for you and they are okay with that hurting you or making it an issue for you, then leave them. इतना important कोई नहीं है जो तुम्हारे mental health और तुम्हारी
one more thing, like if people are emotionally attached, in that case उनको पता है that is hurting, but emotionally attached, that's why they are not able to come out then.
Okay, so attachment is a big thing. I won't say that you can let the person go away like that. तो ये बहुत लोगों के साथ होता है, people are like अरे आपने बोल दिया कि छोड़ दो, ऐसे थोड़ी छोड़ देंगे, ऐसे कैसे हो जाएगा। बट पता है क्या, वही होगी ना, दवाई की बात होती है कि कड़वा होता है लेकिन खा लेते हैं हम, क्योंकि हमें पता है हमें फिक्स कर रहा है। तो यहाँ में हमें अपनी मेंटालिटी चेंज करनी है। हमें उस पता टेम्परेरी प्लेजर के चक्कर में हम लोग अपना जो लॉन्ग टर्म पीस होती है ना उसको भूल जाते हैं। हमें लगता है कि भाई अभी सही लग रहा है ना इसके साथ, कभी खराब हो गया ठीक है कर लेंगे। ऐसा नहीं होता है। यू रियली नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हमेशा ये सोचो कि भाई तुम्हारे अंदर, जैसे मुझे किसी चीज़ से बुरा लगा, मैं उस बंदे के साथ हूँ या उस बंदी के साथ हूँ, फिर भी मुझे ठीक लग रहा है, अभी ठीक लग रहा है, वो चीज़ मेरे अंदर अभी भी है। आई नो दैट पर्सन हैव हर्ट मी एंड वो नहीं समझ रहा है। तो अब तुम्हें ये चीज़ तुम्हारे मन में वो और बढ़ता जाएगा, वो दूसरी बार, तीसरी बार, चौथी बार, तो तुम्हारा रिलेशनशिप भी खराब ही हो रहा है। कितना भी अटैचमेंट हो, वो सिर्फ एक तुम्हारा रिक्वायरमेंट है। इफ यू रियली वांट टू कट दैट आउट फ्रॉम योर लाइफ, आई वोंट से तो मेरा सिंपल सा फंडा है, अगर तुमसे बिल्कुल ही नहीं कंट्रोल होता है तो ब्लॉक कर दो भाई।
ओके,
दैट्स मतलब
और दे कैन कांटेक्ट यू देन।
So you need to cut out. So just सबसे easy पता solution ये होता है कि make sure that they are unable to contact you, because अगर वो contact करेंगे तो you will be able to talk to them.
Right.
And वो फिर दोबारा से you will be able to be okay with that. So you need to understand, make sure that they are unable to connect with you. तुम्हें थोड़े दिन खराब लगेगा, थोड़े दिन you need to control. जैसे फ्रैक्चर होता है तो तुम नहीं चल पाते ना, बुरा लगता है लेकिन कोशिश करते रहते हो, लेकिन फिर भी नहीं चलते, फिर बैठ जाते हो, तो उसी तरह तुम थक जाओगे, फिर तुम रुक जाओगे और फिर थोड़े दिन में तुम और पता है सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, अब जैसे कोई लाइफ में निकलता है हमारी लाइफ से, चाहे वो कोई चीज हो चाहे इंसान हो, तो एक वैक्यूम क्रिएट कर जाता है कि एक इंसान की जगह थी मेरी लाइफ में, अब वो इंसान या वो चीज, लेट से कोई चीज मेरी टूट गई तो उसको मैंने, अब वो चली गई, अब वहाँ जगह वो टाइम में कैसे फिल आउट करूँ, वो तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम करता है। वो ये नहीं है कि वो बंदा नहीं हो, तुम्हें वो जगह फिल करनी होती है। अब सी कि तुम उस टाइम को या उस प्लेस को कैसे फिल अप कर सकते हो। ट्राई टू डू समथिंग एल्स एट दैट टाइम। तुम्हें लग रहा है तुम यू आर मिसिंग दैट पर्सन, यू मिसिंग दैट थिंग, देन ट्राई टू फिक्स इट विद समथिंग एल्स। कुछ और बेटर चीज को लेके आओ अपनी लाइफ को, उससे फिक्स करो। और आई एम मेकिंग श्योर दैट इफ यू आर गोना बी एबल टू डू दैट, यू विल बी ऑल गुड। इट्स जस्ट द वैक्यूम दैट इज गोना बी देयर। किसी के जाने से या किसी चीज के खराब होने से या कुछ भी खत्म होने से ना, तुम्हें बस वो वैक्यूम आ जाता है कि हर चीज की एक जगह है, मेरे पास इतनी जगह है तो मैं इन हर चीज में कुछ ना कुछ डाल के रखा हुआ है। अब मेरी एक जगह से मुझे खा लिया तो मुझे वो फील हो रहा है यार कुछ है जो नहीं है, तो बस उसको फिल कर दो, विल बी ऑल कूल।
And Kanika, one more thing I want to ask, like if someone is not able to fill that vacuum, like if anything he or she is facing, right? So you have a company, so is there any service they can utilize कि उनको help करे, या तो वो vacuum या फिर वो support या फिर in any context जो उनको help करे, that you are providing from your company, something like that?
See, for now we are not, because I'm just the person who talks about things and how can you solve it, but I am not there all, and I won't lie, I don't get that much about it. I try to talk as much as to the people. I do mentor people live with their career and the personal life as well, but I don't get much time. मैं हर किसी को entertain कर पाऊँ नहीं हो पाता, but that's why I have created the content. I started to create the content because I realized कि मैं हर किसी के पास नहीं पहुँच सकती, लेकिन content पहुँच सकता है. So that way I was able to do this.
So they can follow your content, and in that way they can get the value, right?
If you have some issue, you can talk to me, you can ping me. I always reply. Even on LinkedIn, चाहे वहाँ मेरे ज़्यादा followers है, चाहे मेरे Instagram पे कम है, कहीं पे भी हूँ, I always try कि मैं हर किसी को reply कर सकूँ. At least I'm there for people, because that is something missing here. मतलब लोग किसी people don't do that. So I tried.
And that's a great thing, Kanika. That the word you have said, I'm there for you. not everyone says that, because everyone has a bandwidth. Not everyone are free and don't want to, like you said that you reply at each and every one, you try to reply, right? And that's very hard. I know that thing. I also got so many messages. It's very hard to reply everyone in that frequency. So that's awesome, amazing from your side.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I mean, everybody should do, even if you have time. क्योंकि आजकल पता है सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है कि लोगों के पास बात करने के लिए कोई नहीं है. Nobody have people to talk about their problems and without getting judged. The main point I would say that लोगों को ये लगता है कि जज कर रहे हैं इसलिए हम नहीं बोल पाते. अपने दोस्त, भले ही मेरा बहुत पुराना है या तुम्हारा बहुत पुराना दोस्त हो, लेकिन हम नहीं बात कर पाते बिकॉज हमें लगता है यार वो जज करेगा, वो उसकी मेंटालिटी. और आजकल लोगों की है यार, people don't want to help people. They just want to be there when you are partying or you're doing something good and exciting. They want to be there then only. There are very few people who will be there for you when you are not feeling fine and want to help you there as well. And I would say अगर तुम्हें बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम लग रही है, मतलब to talk to a doctor. There are psychiatrists. There are people जो तुम्हें हेल्प करते हैं इन चीज़ों के लिए. और इन लोगों के पास जाना गलत नहीं होता. I don't know why people think that way. तुम किसी से बात नहीं कर पा रहे ना, तो हम लोग ऐसा होता है पता है कि हम अपने लोगों से बात नहीं कर पाते, but we are able to talk to a stranger. That happens. क्योंकि हमें पता है कि यार वो हमें नहीं जानता, तो हम उससे जो बताएंगे उसे उतना ही पता होगा. तो हम बता देगा मुझे नहीं पता कल मैं उससे मिलूंगी या बात करूंगी या नहीं, तो मैं बता देता हूँ ठीक है यार ये हो रहा है यार, आई एम नॉट फीलिंग नाइस. तो इसलिए टॉक टू अ डॉक्टर एंड दे विल बी एबल टू गिव यू बेटर सॉल्यूशन देन व्हाट यू विल बी एबल टू डू. और क्योंकि तुम तो फिक्स नहीं कर पा रहे हो इसलिए तुम लोगों को ढूंढो.
ओके, सो आई जस्ट समराइज दैट थिंग. यदि कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, जस्ट यू नीड टू टॉक इट, यू नीड टू फाइंड समवन, यू नीड टू एक्सप्रेस योरसेल्फ एंड इट्स योर रिस्पांसिबिलिटी टू सॉर्ट इट आउट एंड डोंट गेट स्टक अप कि चीजों को एक के बाद ऊपर जोड़ते मत चले जाओ, राइट?
और मतलब हमारे एक तो ये लोग प्रॉब्लम है कि उसने मेरे साथ गलत किया. It's like it's your responsibility how you feel. Nobody is responsible for that. Don't blame anyone. उसको ब्लेम करके अगर तुम्हें सेटिस्फेक्शन मिल रहा है तो अच्छी बात है, करो, बहुत अच्छा है. बट उससे तुम्हारा सॉल्यूशन नहीं है. You are letting people do that thing with you. So it's your responsibility. तो अपने आप को ठीक रखना भी आप ही की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. आप ही को फिक्स करना पड़ेगा. अगर मैं खराब हूँ तो मैं ही सही कर सकती हूँ. मैं ऐसा सोच रही हूँ तो मैं ही फिक्स कर सकती हूँ. मैं अपनी सोच बदल सकती हूँ कि मेरे को लग रहा है कि ये चीज मेरे लिए गलत है, मुझे पता है मैं फिर भी कर रही हूँ, तो वो गलत है, तो आई नीड टू चेंज माई सेल्फ. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट पर्सन इज डूइंग दैट. वो तो उसकी आदत है, वो करेगा ही. तुम देखो ना तुम्हें उसको कितना एक्सपोजर देना अपनी लाइफ में.
खुद से ही चीजें शुरू होंगी, खुद को करना ही पड़ेगा, वो कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है हमारा. Right.
You are responsible for your life. If you want to feel better, do things that makes you feel better. Don't invest time where you feel like you are not getting valued or you are not feeling fine. Very simple. अच्छा नहीं लग रहा छोड़ दो. एक छोटी सी लाइफ है, don't waste it on कोई भी नहीं. और तुम्हें अच्छा लग रहा है कुछ
कनिका, इसमें आपने जो बोला ना लाइफ इज वंस, लाइफ बहुत छोटी है, इसी से मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कनेक्टेड है. आपसे पूछता हूँ. Like you have also mentioned in your Instagram bio, तो मेरा क्वेश्चन उसी से रिलेटेड है. तो हाउ बीइंग क्रिएटिव हेल्पिंग यू इन योर लाइफ? लाइक आप जब भी कुछ चीजें क्रिएट करते हो डेली तो आपको कैसे हेल्प कर रही है? और इसी से फॉलो अप क्वेश्चन है, एंड व्हाट एडवाइस यू कैन गिव टू गर्ल्स हु find themselves stuck due to some corporate job because they are in their comfort zone and then later feel dissatisfied and frustrated in life?
वो तो सभी के साथ है यार. मतलब ये पता है एक और चीज मैंने रियलाइज की आजकल जो होती है, मेरे लिए तो मुझे नहीं लगा कि कभी, मुझे पता था कि मुझे क्या करना है. तो कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होता कि लोग बोलते कि यार मुझे नहीं मिला कि मुझे कौन सी चीज पसंद है जिसमें करियर के लिए परस्यू कर सकूं. आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई एम गुड एट और व्हाट आई लव. It's never the love. It's always as interest. You start with interest. Whatever interests you, try to make something out of it. उसमें कुछ try करो. नहीं कर रहा है दूसरा इंटरेस्ट. हमारे बहुत सारे इंटरेस्ट होते हैं. मुझे 3 चीजें पसंद है. जैसे मुझे कोडिंग भी पसंद है, मुझे डांस भी पसंद है. I can try anything. जो भी वर्क कर रहा है तुम्हारे लिए, that put more effort in that, then you'll fall in love with that. शुरू से प्यार नहीं होता है. You need to see what interests you, then you will be able to go through a journey where you will fall in the process.
And to try that different interests, I think you have to leave the comfort zone, right? People are becoming comfortable.
I cannot. और आजकल work from home में तो लोग बहुत परेशान हो गए हैं. मतलब every second person tells me यार नहीं काम हो रहा है. I want to be on the bed all the time. Of course everybody wants to be. अगर तुम्हें तुम जाओगे, लेकिन it's upon you यार. You need to be disciplined. सब लोग डिसिप्लिन इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट बोलते हैं कि मुझे, पहले मैंने भी किए हैं बहुत ऐसी चीजें कि मैं डिसिप्लिन को, मैं डिसिप्लिन क्या, मुझे जब लगेगा मैं कर लूंगी. बट ऐसा नहीं होता. यू नीड टू नो कब क्या करना. मैं टाइम टेबल इसलिए बोलती हूँ, स्कूल नहीं है ऑफ कोर्स आई अंडरस्टैंड, बट टाइम टेबल होना इसलिए जरूरी है बिकॉज तुम्हें पता है इस टाइम तुम्हें क्या करना है. जैसे वो टाइम होगा ना, एक बार मना करोगे, 2 बार मना करोगे, तीसरे दिन तुम्हें लगेगा 3 दिन हो गया यार इस टाइम पे मेरे को ये करना था, मैं नहीं कर पाया. तो तुम्हारे माइंड में वो चीज़ रहती है. तुम 3rd या 4th डे में भी स्टार्ट करोगे ना, वो पुश करना पड़ता है. वर्कआउट करने के लिए किसी को एक्साइटिंग नहीं लगता, बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जिनको मजा आता है, लेकिन यू नीड टू पुश योरसेल्फ, यू नीड टू पुट मोर एनर्जी कि भाई नहीं आज तो मैं करूँगा. 1-2 पता है, और ये साइंटिफिक है कि अगर 21 दिन तक आपने एक हैबिट को फॉलो कर लिया तो आपकी एक्चुअली में हैबिट बनती है. फिर हैबिट को 90 डेज तक फॉलो करने के बाद फिर वो आपका रूटीन बनता है. सो यू नीड टू फॉलो द प्रोसेस. ये नहीं कि 2 दिन किया एंड तीसरे दिन बेड पे, ऐसे नहीं चलता. यू नीड टू फॉलो इट फॉर 21 days and then 90 days, then it will become a routine for you. पहले हैबिट बनाओ फिर रूटीन बनेगा.
One more thing I want to ask Kanika, like that creative stuff, हर एक इंसान में creative stuff होता है, उसको एक्सप्लोर नहीं करता, वो that's another part, right? But यदि हर कोई इंसान उस creative aspect को एक्सप्लोर करे, even though they are in any journal, like in their corporate, they are in something else, they are in sales, doesn't matter. But if they try to explore that creative part which is within their self, I think they will be more happy and they will be more satisfied. What do you think?
आई डू बिलीव इन दैट. मतलब हमेशा काम नहीं करते रहना चाहिए. मैं भी नहीं करती हूँ. मैं हमेशा ट्राई करती हूँ मैं कुछ और करती रहूँ. राइटिंग मुझे अच्छा लगता है, मुझे ड्राइंग करना अच्छा लगता है, कुछ भी. मतलब आई ट्राई टू पिक माई सेल्फ अप एंड कीप माई सेल्फ अवे फ्रॉम वर्क फॉर अ व्हाइल सो दैट माई माइंड इज एबल टू थिंक अबाउट थिंग्स. आई कीप माई I keep 1 hour or 2 hours at night so that before I go to bed I think कि भाई creative part, what you need to write, what you need to do next day, what is missing there. मतलब सोचने के लिए टाइम निकालती हूँ मैं सिर्फ. लोगों को बड़ा हंसी आती है इन चीज़ों को कि भाई सोचने के लिए कौन टाइम है, वो तो पूरे दिन करता है. लेकिन नहीं, क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग इज समथिंग दैट पीपल डोंट डू. द प्रोसेस, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इन लाइफ. फॉर मी इट्स क्रिएटिव. कई लोगों के लिए दूसरी तरीके से है. किसी के लिए म्यूजिक है, किसी के लिए डांस है, किसी के लिए कुकिंग है.
जरूरी है, हर दिन करना जरूरी है. ऐसा नहीं कि आप ड्रैग आउट होते जा रहे हो कि एक ही फील्ड में काम करते जा रहे हो बस.
और पता है, जब तक आप उसको टाइम नहीं दोगे ना, मैं ये नहीं कहता, पता है लोग क्या करते हैं, वो समझते हैं मैं जब बोलती हूँ कि टाइम टेबल बनाओ, मतलब यार वो समझता है कि काम को डालो. मेरा मतलब होता है कि उसमें हर चीज डालो कि तुम क्या करना चाहते हो. करियर है, पर्सनल लाइफ है, लोग अपनी फैमिली को टाइम देना. मैं इस घंटे में अपनी फैमिली के साथ बैठूंगा, जो कि हम नहीं करते हैं. तो यू एक्चुअली नीड टू पुट इट देयर. You need to sit with family. You need to do something like you like. I like dance, so I'll give 1 hour or half an hour to dance. तो उसके लिए मैं टाइम निकालती हूँ. भाई दिन में 1 घंटा कर दिया या ऐसा कर दिया, आधा घंटा दे दिया. तो तुम्हें फिक्स करना पड़ता है क्योंकि अगर तुम्हारे पास, क्योंकि तुम्हें पता है कि अब मेरे पास इसके लिए टाइम है. वरना मैं सोचती हूँ अरे काम इंपॉर्टेंट है यार, ये कर लेते हैं, इसके लिए टाइम निकाल लेंगे. वैसे कभी भी नहीं होता. यू नीड टू मेक आउट टाइम. यू नीड टू नो दैट ये घंटा मेरा उसी के लिए है. इसलिए और इससे ना मैनेज बहुत जल्दी होता है.
करेक्ट. और डिसिप्लिन का मतलब ये नहीं है कि सिर्फ काम. डिसिप्लिन का मतलब है लाइफ का बैलेंस, राइट?
एग्जैक्टली. सबका अलग अलग होता है यार. मतलब डोंट. और लोग पता है क्या, जब भी तुम लोग बोलते हैं कि फाइंड अ मेंटर, फॉलो दैट पर्सन, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तुम उसका पूरा स्केड्यूल फॉलो करो. वो 4 घंटे सो रहा है, तुम्हें ये फॉलो करने की हाउ ही इज एबल टू डू दैट. वो कैसे कर रहा है, वो क्या कर रहा है, उसकी प्रोसेसेस क्या है, उसका थॉट प्रोसेस क्या है, वो क्या पढ़ता है, अपनी नॉलेज गेन कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा है, वो सीखना होता है. ये नहीं कि उसने 4 घंटे सोया, बाकी घंटे वो कुछ भी कर रहा है, काम कर रहा है. तो तुम काम करो. काम में तुम क्या कर रहे हो, बैठ के बुक देख रहे हो, बैठ के लैपटॉप देख रहे हो. ये थोड़ी होता है यार. बी प्रोडक्टिव. डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम जस्ट शोइंग और बीइंग बिजी. बस सिर्फ बिजी रहना जरूरी नहीं है, प्रोडक्टिव होना जरूरी है. अगर तुम 4 घंटे काम करो तो उन 4 घंटों को ढंग से करो. उसके अलावा तुम कुछ भी करो, कुछ भी, मतलब इट्स योर लाइफ. बता ही सकते हो.
करेक्ट. अब इसमें एक चीज और आपसे करने का पूछनी है मेरे को कि अपने डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स के बारे में बात कर ली. वर्क के रिगार्डिंग डिसिप्लिन हो गया, कैसे बैलेंस करना जरूरी है वो हो गया. अब मैं आपसे फाइनल थॉट्स में जानना चाह रहा हूँ अबाउट लाइफ. दैट्स इट. लाइफ
फॉर मी, लाइफ इज, दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव बीन टेलिंग यू, दैट लाइफ इज राइट नाउ.
Like we are talking here, like we are doing that video call.
That's something that I like. मेरे लिए लाइफ अभी है. लाइफ बहुत सिंपल है, लोग बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेट कर देते हैं. You need to be disciplined about life as well. कि मुझे पता है कि मेरी वैल्यूज ये हैं, ये मेरी बाउंड्रीज है, ये मुझे अच्छा लगता है. And make time for yourself. Self love is something that is lacking nowadays. I am so much into this. And so people say that I have become a narcissist, and I'm not like that. I love myself so much that I know that and self love का मतलब ये नहीं है अपने बैठ को दिन भर शीशे में निहारते रहो. That's not self love for me. Self love for me that knowing yourself, knowing what I like, what I don't like, whatever is fine for me, what I don't feel that is fine for me. अपने आप को समझना, अपने आप की अच्छी चीज़ों को, पूरी चीज़ों को एक्सेप्ट करना, अपनी ग्रोथ की तरफ देखना कि मैं कैसे और बेटर हो सकता हूँ. अगर मेरे को ये नहीं आता, चलो ठीक है आज नहीं आता, लेकिन कल नहीं आएगा तो वो खराब है. Correct. और क्या पता मुझे वो सही नहीं लगता है, मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता वो करना, तो मैं नहीं करूंगा. इसलिए नहीं कि वो बंदा कर रहा है तो मैं करूंगा यार, नहीं. You need to understand that what you like, what it has to be about you. It has to be about what you feel, how you feel better. And अपनी लाइफ है ना, मैं बहुत I'm very much curious about the things कि ये कैसे हो रहा है, वो कैसे, but I make sure that I'm doing only those things जो जरूरी हैं लाइफ में मेरे लिए, जो मुझे ठीक लगती है. बहुत लोग बहुत चीजें कर रहे हैं, लेकिन इसका मतलब मैं नहीं कि मैं भी वही करूंगी. और मुझे ठीक नहीं लगता ना, even for the people I'm very much choosy where I spend my time. You need to be like that. I mean, I believe कि तुम कहाँ अपना टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हो बहुत जरूरी है समझना. ऐसा नहीं मैं लोगों से बात बिल्कुल ऐसे कट ऑफ कर दिया, नो, बट आई नो कि यार ये टाइम मेरे लिए ये करना जरूरी है. अगर मुझे फ्री टाइम मिलता है, मैं ये नहीं चाहती पार्टी कर लूँ, बट आई सिट डाउन, आई वॉच नेटफ्लिक्स और आई ईट समथिंग, आई कुक समथिंग, आई डिजाइन समथिंग. मैं ऐसी चीजें करती हूँ. First go through that process, understanding yourself, ये मेरे लिए सही है, and let people know. You really need to understand, people needs to know your boundaries. Never be okay with everything. Never say yes to everything that people does. कि यार अच्छा ठीक है, उसको ठीक है, हाँ ठीक है, I'll come, I'll do that. No, it doesn't aligns with your thing, your life, your values. Don't do that. Nobody is forcing you. कोई नहीं करता है. कर रहे हैं तो right away. Be okay with yourself, love yourself, happy रहना जरूरी.
And one more final advice which you want to give girls which are young, which have passion, but because of the different circumstances they got trapped, they feel trapped, और जो कुछ कर भी रही हैं after getting little bit of success but not that much, they are getting demotivated. तो उन सब लोगों के लिए, उन सब girls के लिए आपकी तरफ से advice?
मेरी तरफ से बहुत simple advice है, do whatever you love, give yourself out there and don't think what other people think. सबसे ज़्यादा हम लड़कियों के लिए स्पेशली ये प्रॉब्लम है कि हमारे, तो लड़कों के लिए नहीं है, हमारे लिए है कि लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं, क्या बोल रहे हैं. Leave that part. You need to be happy in yourself. लोग क्या कर रहे हैं फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए तुम्हें. ये सोचो तुम क्या करना चाहते हो, क्योंकि जिस दिन तुम वहाँ हुए ना, तुम्हें सिर्फ वो लोग वहीं आके देखेंगे, यहीं से देख रहे होंगे और तुम्हें तुम्हारा नाम लेके बता रहे होंगे दूसरों की ये मेरे साथ थे या ये मैं इसको बात कर रहा हूँ. जस्ट थिंक अबाउट दैट पार्ट. अगर तुम उसको सोच के करोगे ना कि मैं जहाँ पहुँचना चाहती हूँ सिर्फ उस पर फोकस रखोगे, तो तुम हमेशा वहाँ पहुँच पाओगे. अगर तुम आसपास देखोगे तो कभी भी नहीं कर पाओगे. सो ऑलवेज फोकस ऑन व्हाट यू वांट टू डू इन लाइफ एंड मेक योरसेल्फ हैप्पी एंड नेवर डिपेंड योरसेल्फ ऑन एनीवन, नॉट इवन अ थिंग, नॉट इवन अ पर्सन. बी इंडिपेंडेंट सॉरी. अपने देखो कि अपने आप को कैसे खुश रख सकते हो, अकेले कैसे रह सकते हो. यू नीड टू लर्न दैट बिकॉज व्हाइल डूइंग आउट समथिंग फॉर योरसेल्फ एंड बीइंग एबल टू डू समथिंग लाइक दैट, स्टार्टिंग अप आई वुड से you need to leave people, a lot of people in your life, and you need to start learning how to live alone. तो पहले से सीखना शुरू कर दो, क्योंकि मैंने सीख लिया. मतलब I think once you know that thing ना, you are at different level. तुम काम कर सकते हो, तुम सब चीजें कर सकते हो.
Okay, so you know you have to learn all those. These are types of skills, right? You have to become self-independent. You have to it's financially or something like that. These are all skills.
Not about money, I would say. Self-independence is about for everything, mentally, physically, हर चीज में. मतलब जब मेरा टाइम फ्री हो तो मैं किसी और के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट ना हूँ कुछ करने के लिए. right. मेरा टाइम फ्री है, मुझे पता है, मुझे अच्छा लगता है, मैं वो जाके करूँ. You need to understand, fall in love with yourself. And
that will give the self-confidence, which is very much necessary, right?
Confidence comes with confidence doesn't come from मेरे को लगता है कि मैं बहुत. You need to learn. When you know things, you are confident enough. जब तुम्हें पता है कि तुम क्या बोल रहे हो, तुम बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट होते हो.
And you will only learn when you get indulged in that thing. You will get failures, even though then you will stood up, right? And that is the process, correct?
Failure is part of the process, यार. मतलब failure is, everybody says that, I know, but I think जब तुम खुद फेल होते ना, तब तुम्हें ये अच्छा नहीं लगता सुनना. ये part of the process.
Correct.
बहुत गुस्सा आता है. You feel like यार मैंने इतना किया, इतना टाइम दिया, क्यों नहीं हुआ? लेकिन अगर वो नहीं हुआ, there are reasons that you still need to learn certain things. कुछ है अभी missing, वो देखो कि क्या है. अगर तुम्हें दोबारा करना है तो फिर सीखो पहले. तुम कहीं तो गलत है ना. मतलब अगर दूसरों के लिए वर्क कर रहे हो, तुम्हारे लिए नहीं कर रहे, मतलब तुम्हारे अंदर कुछ है मिसिंग. तो ये नहीं कि बैठ जो नहीं कर सकते, तो लर्न दैट थिंग, फिर दोबारा से ट्राई करो. एंड अगर तुम बार बार ट्राई करते हो ना, तो यू गेट सक्सेस. आई वुड से दैट.
Awesome. बहुत चीजें इंटरेस्टिंग बताई आपने कनिका जी। मजा आ गया सुन के। आई थिंक ये हमारे ऑडियंस के लिए भी हेल्पफुल रही होगी, बहुत सारी चीजें अच्छी थी।
I hope so.
Yeah. So thank you Kanika for giving your valuable time, and if you guys want to contact Kanika, I'm giving all the Instagram and LinkedIn links in the description box. Please follow. And Kanika, you want to say anything to my subscribers?
Okay, so please follow him as well. He's putting up a great content there. He's really getting people on board to let them help you specifically. So do follow him. Do help him out to go through this process, because I was unable to do these things because I do create content, but not like this. I am talking to people personally, but not like this. So now today I was able to share the content and the ideas and the things I have learned through him. So talk to him and follow him, please.
Thank you Kanika for sharing your valuable time. Thank you.